What up, YouTube famo? It's your boy Luis the Trader. I'm back with another one. Just keep in mind, I'm not a guru. I'm just a broke trader documenting my grind, every lesson, every win, every loss, and the mindset behind it all. If you are building from the bottom, Jengami, you are in the right place. Just before getting into the video, remember trading is risky. Read the disclaimer carefully, and if you value real content with no fluff, don't forget to subscribe. Aware. Because the price was impulsive during a London session, and I usually trade during a New York session. So mana biggest cut la pair off fast two nearby. So this is the IFVG and the fair value gap. So it increased my confluences wami, hence I executed this trade. Nizongbona pyramid at this entry because the price was playing in the near one at all. So a stop loss placement, yeah, below that candlestick lele lenze if invasion fair value gap at all. So this is me placing my stop losses. Yeah. So I'm waiting for price to trade above layer, high layer. Then immediately, if that happens, when that happens rather, immediately when that happens, I move my stop loss into break even, or I cut my stop loss into smaller losses. So nizobona i-price move away impulsively kule order block le ekuyo currently njengoba iyehla manje beyotesta like a fair value gap below lapha, hence ngiyele ngapyramida the fourth trade lapha. So here i-price njengoba iya towards that high, it failed ukuthi close above that high natural. So le nto leyo it challenged me a little bit, hence nizongibona ngimove I stop loss some natural, but then I'll remove it again. So here it's an IFVG length at the but the price angeke respect because there's a fair value gap below le mele respect lapha before izoya phezulu. So here njengoba belidlala endaweni e1, so it was playing with my emotions. So like bengisacabanga ukuthi is price going to move like now or izolinda 3:30. So that's the thought process that was going on. Joey price base sell up here. So when I saw this, I was like, hey, I take Zonye wala. But then yeah. Here I was modifying the stop loss for the last trade that I took. You'll see price come back down, then the movie stop loss last corner because there's a inversion fair value gap below the one that's big lapha phezulu njengoba iyenza so ngizomove stop loss below ukuthi i-price ingangikhiphi like prematurely, right? So this was a perfect trade, guys. This was a trade. I don't know what happened. Okay, I do know what happened. My emotions kicked in and I started doing like wrong things and stuff. So yeah, let's watch. So 5 minutes benyocheck ukuthi yona injani. The candlestick, I was checking the candlestick of 5 minutes. As you can see, they react like perfectly, these things. I mean like the IFVG. Okay, so nizobona price libe lidlala la endaweni e1. I didn't like what I saw. Hence nizongibona ngikhatha ama trades wami way too early. This is the trade that I'm talking about when I said I took like 2 out of 5 good. Yeah, I took only 2 good trades out of 5. So this is trade number 1. Good trade number 1. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I wanted to say. So yeah, I was refining my stop loss placement because the price really failed to close above that equal highs, those equal highs. So being funu save, as in like if you retrace like hard, then yeah, if you retrace njengoba yenzile my izongikhipha maybe with a small loss and stuff. So I removed it there because there's that fair value gap, that bullish fair value gap, hence I moved it below the last entry. So yeah, this is how fair value gaps works. price retraces back into them besiyashutha besiyotargeta in liquidity. That's what happens esikhathini esibayo. So la, because of this consolidation engapheli, I decided to exit my trades. That's all. So this is what happens when you are trading. Like you have to make decisions on your own. A lot of decisions, a lot of mindset traps they kick in. I call them mindset traps because they are traps. These are things that you don't want to do, but you do them because of what you know. Natural. Yeah. So I'm currently in a phase where I need to master the mechanics, like lendlela yami yokutrade, this one, and my mindset. So currently the big thing that I'm focusing on now is my mindset. Yeah. I see the strategy is okay, but my mindset is not okay. So yeah, jobbing Sasho, I exited one trade, then I reduced my target. That's all. So because my mindset was fucked up already, which why like lento le ihlala isikhathi eside kaye lapha kuleya iFiji, why ngaveli move. That's all. Immediately when I saw this impulsive candlestick, I was like, oh boy, but then it is what it is. So immediately after the take profit hit, my mind was like, bro, you should have let this trade run to take profit, the first take profit, that is. That's all. But then I didn't do that because of the emotions. Like I'm trying to think back on like that time. It's not coming back. But then yeah, I remember like I was too emotional about it. So that's wrong when you are trading. I don't usually be emotional when I trade, but then on this day I was. So it's fucked up. Yeah, as you can see, it's Katsebu 3, 30 minutes away from the New York session. It's got the top left corner, 3 minutes away from the New York session. New York session was not fed. Okay, so niyabona nje obilibili dlala so price. It makes me like think ukuthi hence njengoba sesithathile this buy side and the price ngapha kuma higher time frames, which is 5 minutes, iphakathi kwe-fair value gap. Lento le ingajika le, instead of ukuthi respect this my initial setup, hence ngile ngaclose all those trades. Right? Which was a wrong decision because my overall bias was bullish. Then 5 minutes later, I saw good, no man, this thing is still gonna continue buying. Then I executed another buy, 0.03. Then the management of this buy was trash, man. Yeah, it wasn't right. I scaled my stop loss deep into I scale it up, then the price yabuya take out. Mangikhumbula kahle, yeah, that's what happened. But then let's watch. This is the 5 minutes chart, guys. This is the same market structure, but with 5 minutes. As you can see, guys, these IFHs, they do work. So this is me refining my stop loss, and I went wrong. So my stop loss placement here was incorrect. I was supposed to put it maybe like below that red the wick of that red candlestick, the order block. Yeah, that's all. So this is a loss. That was the first winning trade, the one that I took. This is the first losing trade. 39 minutes later, I took another sell position, which was a good trade. You see, this thing really buy all the way to my target, and then I saw market maker sell model form here. Then I executed this sell. This was the trade number 2, the perfect trade number 2 that I took. That's all. But then check your lot size, guys. Shit, lot size was fucked up. I decreased the lot size because being 30, there are trades that I didn't document. I took losses on those trades. Then I decided to decrease the lot size. fucked up mindset. This is how the fair value gaps work, guys. This is sweet. Imagine if like the lot size was big, bruh. I was gonna make. Oh, that's what my mind thought at that time. I thought. So these are the trades that I'm taking, guys. These are the trades that I'm taking. I just need to I just need to fix my mindset, guys. The strategy is right. Hence I'm selling the book, guys. I'm selling you the book. This is not hocus pocus. When you see me lose, don't think like when like the book is going to make you lose and stuff. Now I'm losing because of my mindset, and I'm now correcting that. I exited this trade too early. I wasn't supposed to exit that trade, but then I exited. This was like a perfect trade, poor management. Those two trades were perfect trades with poor management. Then I exited because I saw this IFVG, which was fucked up. It continued down. This is the final structure of the price. Fair. So fair, guys. Please subscribe, like the channel, and tell me what I should improve. Thank you. Away.